Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm supposed to be baking zucchini bread with my 7-year-old. She's out of school and we're making it a mommy-daughter day, but she's decided she doesn't like zucchini, so I gotta go convince her that this is actually good. Join me in my kitchen as I bake. For today's video, we're gonna use baking soda, oil, this is vegetable oil, eggs, sugar, salt. I have 3 zucchinis here, all-purpose flour, and vanilla and cinnamon.
Carefully shred your zucchini until you have 2 cups. Yeah. Now we're gonna mix our dry ingredients: flour, sugar, baking soda.
Okay, that's flour.
Yeah, flour.
Ooh,
Okay,
pass me the bowl.
here. Sugar. It's gonna go everywhere. Hope it doesn't. Okay. Now baking soda.
Cinnamon.
Ground cinnamon.
And salt.
Salt.
And we're gonna mix them all up gently. Gently, gently. So now I'm gonna put the 3 eggs and she's gonna whisk them. Start beating the eggs. To the whisked eggs, we're going to add our vanilla, our oil, and our 2 cups of shredded zucchini. Ah!
Yeah.
Keep mixing. We're gonna gently pour our wet ingredients into our dry.
Now we're going to use our happy face spoon to mix all the things together.
I'm gonna help her out because she's struggling here. You wanna make sure, we probably should have poured the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, but we like doing things backwards. I mean, it really doesn't matter with this bread. It's kind of like the banana bread. It's very easy to get it right. Very hard to actually mess this one up. So once this is fully mixed, we're gonna pour it into our prepared loaf pan. And by prepared, I'll show you how we prepared the loaf pan with parchment paper. So here is our parchment paper in our baking pan. You just want to place it in there. We're going to pour, Mariella, we're going to pour the mixture into our loaf pan.
My mom won't let me pour it, so I'm just ladling it into the bread pan.
So if you want help, I can do it for you.
Yeah.
No? Okay,
Yeah,
keep
just
going, because, oh man, you're just making a mess still.
Ugh, sorry.
It's okay. We're having fun?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to cut that parchment paper. You want to reduce your parchment paper so we're not burning this in the oven. Okay.
You're going to bake it at 350 degrees
for
about an hour.
Hurry. Don't touch the sides. Don't touch the glass. Be careful. Straight out, straight out. Put your arms straight out. Good job.
Phew.
All right. It's ready, people. It smells really good. It hasn't quite been the hour, but it smells like it's done. We're gonna test it. Oops. It's all done. Now, I would recommend that you put it a little lower because as you see here, it's kind of gotten really crusty and brown, kind of like it's almost burned, but it's not. So put it a little lower, but since I was using that little oven, this is what we got. Okay, now, if these things were a little bigger, it would be easier to lift, but it should come out really easily. It's kind of hot still. I'm gonna put it right here. So now we're gonna cut it I'm going to take the first slice. Oh, cuts so nice. Look at that. Look at that. You want to cut the next slice?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're using the wrong hand. You have to cut like that. You hold your knife like that. And Mommy's going to help you. I'm going to cut. Who cuts this way? Nobody. Nobody's saying.
You're moving my hand.
Yeah, I was just making fun of the internet. Yum! We're going to taste it now. She's scared because it's zucchini. Let's see. Let's get half a piece. That's not bad. What did you really think?
It's actually not bad, but it's not my favorite.
That's okay. I'll take it. It's not banana bread. We can make bananas. What if we add bananas to the zucchini bread? Would that work?
Yeah.
Maybe we can try. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit like down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. Bon appetit!